Welcome, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to 2K Sports for this NBA presentation. With Hall of Famers Grant Hill and Doris Burke, this is Brian Anderson. Joining us from the sidelines, Allie LaForce. And Indiana starts out with the ball. Here's Zubac. And it's slammed in by Zubac.
Yeah, if you allow Zubac positioning near the cup, look out. This is what you can expect.
Pass to Levine. To the inside. And stolen by Nembhard. And here's Siakam for three. The rebound by Murray.
Yeah, he usually makes you pay from that range.
Inside. Here's Sabonis. And the layup is good off the glass.
What you love is a big with the ability to score anywhere on the floor. Sabonis gets to work down inside.
Siakam outside. Back to Halliburton. Up top, Siakam. Down to 5 on the shot clock. Halliburton misses. First quarter, just over a minute played. To the middle. Here's Murray. The shot is good on the assist by Sabonis.
Yeah, just a solid play by Murray. He knows where to get his shots.
And so it's Westbrook who will bring it up for the Kings. Down low. Sabonis' shot is off. Halliburton looking over the floor. Siakam left side. Money from 17 feet out.
Well, you love the confidence from Pascal Siakam. Ready on the catch, rise and fire. Nicely done.
Right side, Levine. On the wing, DeRozan. Launches a three. The rebound by Nembhard. Halliburton outside. Levine with a steal. To the paint. Here's Murray. Oh, nice D from Nesmith. Inside. Here's Zubac. And it's slammed in by Zubac.
That's what we call a power finish. There's no such thing as gentle for the big man.
Sabonis outside. Slams it in.
I'll tell you, Domantas Sabonis has got some big-time athleticism. That's a pretty dunk.
Here's Halliburton. Pass to Siakam. 4 on the clock. Halliburton misses. And here's Westbrook. He'll bring it up for the Sacramento Kings. Here's Murray. Oh, get out the way, Grant. Get out the way.
Yeah, and that was a big-time flush. I love whenever Murray takes flight like this.
Indiana trailing here. And the foul on Tyrese Halliburton. That's his first foul.
And just a great job of getting there first and absorbing the contact.
And so now a timeout called by Doug Christie. He's going to take a minute to regroup with his players. So it's both teams making substitutions here. Into the lane.
Good decision-making. Scopes the situation, puts the pass right on the mark.
Ooh, and they immediately answer back with a dunk on the other end.
That's just good awareness from top and willing to get it to the open guy immediately. Love the unselfishness.
Pass to Huff. Oh, DeRozan with the block. And he's going for the lob. Boy, left it right in the sweet spot with the lob. Nicely done.
Just a perfect pass and some pretty slick body control on the finish, too.
Man, that's butter. Top it inside. Great D that time from Murray. Sacramento leading by 4. Now 8 seconds separating the two clocks. And the dunk by DeRozan.
Oh, DeMar DeRozan gets off his feet in a hurry. I love it.
On the take, Shepard. And that one is stuffed right through.
Just a strong finish there, guys.
Hey, needed just one hand to do it. Here's Monk. Soft touch off the glass.
Listen, we know this guy has got a solid offensive arsenal. You've got to stay on point defensively.
Here's Shepard. And so it's the Sacramento Kings with a 6-point lead at the close of the quarter. Great shot selection. And for those of you just tuning in, second quarter action is where we are. And a closer look here at the scoring breakdown for the Kings.
They've been really going at the defense in the painted area, and so far the opposition really hasn't had an answer for them.
Monk into the lane. Can't cash it in from close range. Pacers trail by 6. Pass to Halliburton. Back to Siakam. From the arc. That's good. And Halliburton gets the assist. Siakam's got 5 points.
Boy, how far has the shot, the perimeter game of Siakam come? His rookie year, he made 1 3 all season. Remember that.
Pass to Halliburton. Back to Siakam. Halliburton outside. Shot clock at 5. And there's a whistle. He'll head to the line to shoot 2. Blake Monk picks one up.
Well, the speed on Halliburton made the difference there. The defense's only option was to foul him.
And the second free throw is good. And Sacramento has possession. Pass to Nembhard. Back to Siakam. Halliburton with the ball. To the middle. Siakam, no good. The Kings leading. And here in the second with about a minute and a half gone by. Monk for 3. Indiana with a rebound. Siakam outside. Back to Halliburton. Back to Siakam. Oh, Pascal Siakam flying high.
Well, Pascal Siakam has the ability to play on the inside and score with that length.
Now Levine. No made baskets yet. It's rebounded by Zubac. And here's Halliburton. He'll bring it up to the Indiana Pacers. They haven't allowed any points in the second quarter. Here's Halliburton knifing in. Back to Siakam. And that one goes. 4 for 7 for him so far.
Getting enough shots in close to play inside out.
And timeout called by Doug Christie. He'll take the opportunity to regroup. Here in quarter 2, we played a little over 2.5 minutes now. To stop the drought. And it's laid up and in by Westbrook.
You know the game plan is to try to keep Russell Westbrook out of the paint. The guy is consistently there over the course of his career. Nice interior finish.
2 minutes remaining in the first half.
Halliburton on the wing. Outside Neesmith. Shot clock at 6. It's tipped. And it's out of bounds to Indiana.
He had the right idea, just couldn't come up with the swipe.
Yeah, the anticipation was there. The hustle was there. Very close to picking that one.
And the dunk by Halliburton.
Well, we're talking about a guard who's
to Levine. Westbrook outside. Knocks down the long J. Westbrook's got 5 now. Already 5 lead changes here.
Speaks to how evenly matched these teams have been thus far.
And the dunk by Halliburton.
Trading the lead back and forth, neither side is willing to back down.
And right now you love the chess match, right? The ability of each side to adjust to what the other is doing.
There's 57 seconds left to play in the first half. Oh, the sweet touch inside by Halliburton.
Well, you love when guards are unafraid to get to the painted area and finish. Go ahead, Tyrese. Terrific move. He sees the opening and doesn't hesitate.
Indiana leading. Pass to Nembhard. Now here's Halliburton. He has 7. That's good. For the day, he's 4 for 6.
Credit their discipline. They've been working for high percentage shots.
Indiana leading by 3. It's a 4-second differential between the shot clock and game clock. Now Siakam. Halliburton misses. It's an even 3-on-3 break. It's stolen. Siakam for 3. Siakam hits from downtown.
3 points.
And out of bounds, the Pacers will take it.
One guy's thinking zig, the other zag, and it's nothing good resulting.
Number 13.
Three-pointer, Halliburton. It doesn't go for him. And that concludes the first half.
That's the end.
Indiana ahead, up 6. And we'll be right back after halftime for the start of the third quarter. See you in just a bit.
29.
And after a fairly even first couple of quarters, this second half could turn out to be a great one, as both teams trying to gain an edge. Down low. Here's Murray. It's rebounded by Pascal Siakam. Pacers leading by 6. Here's the 3. Halliburton misses.
And just terrible defense. I don't know how he missed that shot.
The basket drops, and he gets fouled on the shot. 1 free throw coming his way.
But you've got to be physically capable of finishing through contact. Nice job by Sabonis to play through it.
Left side, Nesmith. Pass to Nembhard. Back to Halliburton. Just 5 to shoot. The 3 ball. Rebound by the Kings. And he's going for the oop here. Oh, it's stolen by Siakam. There's the triple. And Hallie to the hoop.
This is where Halliburton can really hurt you, playing with pace, using his speed in transition.
Westbrook drives. Oh, nice fake, but the layup's off the mark. And so it's Halliburton with it. He brings it up for the Pacers. Right around a minute and a half played in the third quarter. To the left wing. Count that bucket. And now a 9-point Indiana lead.
Tyrese Halliburton has it cooking, guys. He's created good offensive momentum, and he's keeping his foot on the gas pedal.
And timeout called by Doug Christie. He's going to take a moment to give him a breather and talk things over. Both teams deciding to change it up.
Substituting on the court.
Carter, high post. And that one drops for him. Indiana leading by 7. And here's McConnell. Uses the glass on the layup.
Always a good possession when you can get that kind of look.
Carter inside. It's hauled in by McConnell. Just under 2.5 minutes into this third quarter now. And it's Shepherd missing. Murray inside. And And a nice finish on the layup. Murray's got 8 points.
I like Murray's shot selection, especially when he's this close to the rim.
On the attack, Carter. Here's Sabonis. He got a piece of it. And now we're 3 minutes into this third quarter of play. To the inside. And that one is hammered home.
Woo! Defensively, you can't afford to let him get to the rim that easily.
Well, that might be why their deficit is what it is right now.
I'll tell you, you can't get stops if you're unwilling to put in the work.
Inside. It's rebounded by Sabonis. Kings trail by 7. And an intentional foul right there.
You don't want to stop the clock right there. I'm not quite sure what he was thinking.
And timeout called by Rick Carlisle. Coach probably just checking to make sure everybody's on the same page here.
All right, fans.
Both teams will make substitutions. Third quarter of basketball here. A little under 3.5 minutes gone by. And it's Monk missing.
Yeah, and the defense has really got to tighten up on him. I mean, he's just too dangerous from the three-point line.
Kicks it out to Siakam. That's good. And Halliburton gets the assist. 14 points for him.
Well, this is part of Pascal Siakam's growth, the willingness to absorb nightly responsibility to score the ball.
I love great defense. Just quick to establish his feet, and he takes the hit.
Halliburton, no good. Kings trail by 9. Outside Levine. And there's the lob.
Listen, this guy's doing his part. It's what we know he's about, but they have got to get some productivity from some other guys on this roster.
Oh, got that bucket in no time at all. Siakam's got 17.
Now, this is such a critical component to Siakam's game. The face-up ability, nicely done on the jump shot.
Coach is loving the ball movement.
Pass to Siakam. Another 3 for Indiana.
Yeah, he's in his bag from beyond the arc right now. You see his confidence.
And I think the defender knows once he gets cooking, look out. The bucket looks awfully big to him right now. Yeah, surprised he doesn't have more shot attempts. He's been accurate. You'd think he'd want to take control now with them behind.
Now 5 seconds separating the shot clock and the game clock. Halliburton with the ball. Checked by Murray. Nails it from beyond the arc. Siakam's got 11 here in the quarter alone.
Here in the second half, they're really focused on stretching the floor.
And guys, boy, when you're hitting, it sure does work. It obviously opens up major options at the offensive end.
Seven seconds left to play in the third quarter. Pass to Siakam. With 1 on the clock. Oh, a clear foul there on the missed shot. So he'll get a pair at the line. Malik Monk picks one up. And he'll take his third and fourth free throws of the night. And he sinks the second. Now off the inbound. And so it's Pascal Siakam making highlights for Indiana. He dropped 3 threes in that quarter. They have it.
Indiana, 50.
And with the fourth quarter upon us, time is running out for this game to become competitive. Siakam the screen. To the wing on the left. They get it back. Back to Halliburton. 6 on the shot clock. Indiana needs to get a shot off. And here's Siakam for 3.
And lockdown defense against one of the best three-point shooters in the league.
That's DeRozan.
Boy, this guy's so quick with the ball in his hands. DeRozan's acceleration makes him effective.
A tad short, but it's good off the front iron.
You can feel the temperature rising in this arena. Both teams pouring it on offensively.
There's been a bit of a flurry here late, and this game may come down to which side gets a stop or two.
Siakam, left side. Nembhard, right side. The three. Sacramento grabs the miss. And Hunter, here we go. Shoots over Halliburton. And there are the Kings with another bucket.
Boy, how about the body control from DeMar DeRozan? Just an outstanding score despite the hit.
Just over a minute and a half played here in the fourth. And the basket by Halliburton. And the Pacers lead by 9.
Yeah, terrific work in the two-man game results in an easy bucket. That's how you do it.
And keeping us updated from the sideline, Allie LaForce.
Over that last break, I got a chance to hear what Doug Christie said to his team. He really emphasized rim protection. He said to his guys, I want us to cut down on the easy looks inside. No more of that. It's a simple ask that could have a big impact.
Appreciate the report, Allie. He takes it in. Now Siakam. From deep three-point land. And Russell Westbrook gets the whistle that time. That's his first foul.
First personal foul. First team foul.
And it goes out of bounds. That one off Nembhard.
That's miscommunication, and we rarely see that happen.
Kings trail by 9. Zubac pulls it down. Outside Siakam. A touch under 2.5 minutes have passed now here in the fourth. Westbrook rips down the board. And so it's Westbrook who will bring it up for Sacramento. A great fourth quarter, just giving up 2 points. Indiana leading by 9. Now Siakam. Here's Halliburton. Siakam the screen. 6 to shoot. From 17 feet out. Sabonis looking over the floor. Murray connects from outside.
Yeah, this is the kind of confidence you love seeing. Murray not thinking twice at all about firing away.
Siakam the screen. From deep. Oh, it misses.
We all know he's a good shooter, but from that distance, I don't think so.
Boy, we're seeing it more and more. Guys looking to create additional space by stepping back further from the line.
Misses the three.
He's lost his momentum in a big hurry. Coming off an excellent quarter, now he just can't find the bucket. And that closeout certainly made a difference.
Well, no question, he altered that shot, and most of the time, that's just as good as blocking it.
The defense really fell apart there. You can't afford to leave him all alone at the arc.
Oh, my goodness, you could tell DeMar DeRozan demanded the basketball. He wanted the chance to be the deciding factor.
Outside Siakam. Shoots a three. And they go to the intentional foul.
Russell Westbrook. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
And so they foul intentionally.
Murray. First personal foul. Third team.
And no good as the first free throw misses. We'll see if he can hit the second. And he ends up missing both free throws. On offense, here are the Kings. They're on a 13-5 run. Murray. Oh, no good on the layup. And now we've got an intentional foul. And he misses the first one. Boy, he wanted that one to go. And he's able to hit the second one. And that increases the lead to 6.
And looking for a quick bucket here.
You've got to run a play that's a quick strike. You've got to immediately foul after that.
Oh, he cannot hit.
You have to love the tenacity, but also the awareness to make sure he came away with that ball.
Oh, the first of 2, no good. A heartbreaker. That's good. Going 1 of 2 from the line. And that makes it a 7-point lead. Time called here. The Kings decide to talk it over. They're behind by 7. All right, guys, what's your take?
Too little, too late. Making a change won't save them now.
Well, I think he might just want to remind these guys, hey, let's finish the game the right way.
Siakam looking it over. Let's loose for 3. Money from 3.
3 points.
And Levine, here we go. And so Indiana takes this one by a big margin. It ends up being a fairly easy road win.
Those are so hard to come by. It's never easy to take a